I've always been fascinated by the hidden complexities of our healthcare system. You know, we often hear about rising costs and staffing shortages, but there's a silent threat that's been flying under the radar. It's something that affects all of us, whether we realize it or not. I'm talking about insurance claim denials. Now, you might be thinking, insurance claims? That sounds boring. But trust me, this is about to get really interesting. Let's break this down. Every year, billions of dollars in medical claims are denied. But here's the thing. This isn't just a financial headache for hospitals and doctors. It's a crisis that's affecting real people, delaying crucial treatments, and adding unnecessary stress to an already overburdened system. Think about battling an illness, only to have your treatment put on hold because of an insurance denial. It's not just inefficient, it's potentially life-threatening. The financial burden of these denials is staggering. Providers are losing billions annually, which forces them to raise costs for everyone. Now, you might be wondering, how do we fix this mess? Well, it turns out that the solution might be simpler than we thought. At Red Sky Health, we're tackling this challenge head-on with our revolutionary AI-powered claims engine. We call it Daniel. It's like having a virtual insurance expert working alongside your billing team, proactively preventing denials before they happen. But here's where it gets really cool. Daniel uses machine learning algorithms to analyze claims before submission. It scans for potential errors, checks against payer-specific rules, and even suggests revisions to ensure compliance. The results? They're mind-blowing. Early data shows a significant reduction in first-pass claim denials. We're talking about a 30% decrease in some cases. This is fascinating because it's not just about fixing insurance claims. It's about reshaping the entire healthcare landscape. AI is transforming healthcare in profound ways, from automating tedious tasks to improving diagnostic accuracy. By reducing administrative overhead and streamlining processes, we're freeing up resources and allowing providers to focus on what really matters, building stronger patient relationships and providing more compassionate care. Picture a healthcare system where patients receive the care they need without the stress of insurance denials, where providers can focus on healing instead of paperwork, where technology empowers a more compassionate and efficient system. This isn't just a dream, it's the future we're building at Red Sky Health. And the best part? We're just getting started. If you believe in a better healthcare future, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights into how AI is revolutionizing the industry. And hey, I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about building a better healthcare system together. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about technology. It's about creating a healthier, happier world for all of us.